morning, class. It's very good to see you. Do you know what day is today? What day is today? Yes? Very good. Today is Monday. What month are we in? What month are we in? Yes? Very good. Today is Monday, March 16th. All right. What's the weather like outside? What's the weather like outside? The weather is sunny. Sunny. And what else? Very good. Sunny and a little cold. How do you feel today? How do you feel? I feel happy. How do you feel? I feel happy. All right. Please pause the video and copy the date. Very good. Next. We're talking about breakfast foods. Can you think of any breakfast foods? Breakfast foods. Breakfast foods. Do you know the answer? Good job. Biscuits. Biscuits. I am a very beautiful artist. Biscuits. All right. Can you think of another breakfast food? Good job. Toast and jam. Toast and jam. Good job. All right, what's next? Yes, over there. Pastries. Delicious. Pastries. Also, cereal, cereal. All right. And sometimes in America or England, we can eat eggs, eggs, bacon, bacon, or pancakes. All right, very good. What do you have for breakfast? I have toast and jam. What do you have for breakfast? Please repeat. I have. Good. I have. What do you have for breakfast? Good job. All right. What time do you have breakfast? When do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 7:30. I have breakfast at 7:30. When do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at Listen and repeat. I have breakfast at Good job. Next. Lunch foods. Lunch foods. Can you think of some lunch foods? Yes. Pasta. Pasta. What else? Good. Fish. What else? Vegetables. Good job. Anything else? Salad. Very good. Can you think of some other foods? Please say them now. Very good. All right. What time do you eat lunch? When do you eat lunch? When do you eat lunch? I have lunch at 1 o'clock. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. When do you eat lunch? I have lunch at. Listen and repeat. I have lunch at. Very good. Next. What meal comes after lunch? Do you know the answer? Good job. Lunch foods. Oops, just kidding. Dinner foods. All right. What are some dinner foods? They are similar to the foods we eat at lunch. So, we can eat pasta, fish, meat, potatoes, vegetables in general. Okay. Very good. Can you think of other dinner foods? Good job. All right. What time do you eat dinner? What time do you eat dinner? I have dinner at 8 o'clock p.m. means the afternoon. I have dinner at 8 o'clock. When do you have dinner? Listen and repeat. I have dinner at Good job! Next, you will take a quiz on the computer. All right, students, have a good day. Listen and repeat. Goodbye. See you next time. Bye-bye.